Assalamu alaikum grade 5. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start my 9th lecture. Open your book of English Oxford at page number 28, unit 6, triathlete, lesson 1. In this lesson you will learn about some sports. In pair, take turns to ask and answer the question. Use a tick to show your partner's answer. Student, this is an activity. You have to do it by yourself. Write here the name of your partner, ask the question and tick here in these boxes. For example, how much fruits do you eat in a month? A lot, quite a lot, very little, very few, or none. This is activity, you have to do it by yourself. In the second one is read and circle the correct word, listen and check your answer. Vine trains 5 days a week for the triathlon, so he needs to eat carefully. He drinks a lot of water. You will underline the word a lot of water, but very little tea. He eats a lot of vegetables, but very little chocolate. He doesn't watch much TV, usually only after training. Vine is training very hard these days, so he doesn't have much free time. Underline the word much. Today he is cooking fried rice that gives him much energy for his training. Now in exercise 4, study these prefixes for numbers. Find the words in the dictionary on page 121 and 128. Write them on the right line in your notebook. This is also your activity, your homework. Check from page 121 and 128 and complete it. Uni, unicorn. Bi, bicycle. Tri, tricycle. Triplets. Triangle, triathlon. Students, now on page number 29, unit 6, lesson 2 are the words. Choose the correct form of these verbs from the survey questions. In your family, who makes the most phone calls? My father. Who does the most exercise? My sister. Who does most of the cooking? My mother. Who makes most of the noise? My brother. Who does most of the shopping? My mother. Who cooks the dishes most of the time? My mother. Who does the ironing? My mother. Who makes the beds? I make the beds. Who makes the most mess? My mother. Students, others all are the oral activities you have to do with your partners. Grade 5, now open your English grammar book at page number 22. Lesson 6 is sentences. In this lesson, you will learn about a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that act like a noun, adverb or adjective. In this lesson, you will learn about a phrase and a class. Phrase is a group of words that has no verb. It doesn't make complete sense on its own. While a class is also a group of words, but it makes sense. It has an adverb and an adjective. The only difference between a phrase and a class is that whereas a phrase has no verb, a class has a verb in it and also has a subject. On its own, it makes some sense but not complete sense. Now look at page number 23. After the movie was over, we walked home back. This is a second class and this is a main class. We walked home, back home. This is the main class. After the movie was over, this is second class. Underline the main class in the following sentences. After finishing his homework, he went off to sleep. He went off to sleep is the main class. She was fined by the traffic police because she has parked the car on the main road. She has fined by the traffic police is the main class. If you want to run a good business, you must be honest and hardworking. Heavy losses were reported from all the cities after the earthquake struck. Heavy losses were reported. This is the main class. We had to throw away apples because they were rotting. We had to throw away apples. Tigers become man-eaters only when they are deprived of their natural food or shelter. Tigers become man-eaters. This is the main class. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Complete them by supplying a second class. Molten lava flew down the sides of the hill and destroyed the surface. From my car, I could see the shores quite clearly. He put away his books and went to sleep. I am curious to know about result. Next one is copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them by adding a main class to each. Dashed because they were making mischief. They were laughing. They were angry because they did not like the tax policy. On page number 24, I was ill. I didn't participate in the competition. My friend whose name was Ned. The following sentences have either a phrase or a second class attached to them. Copy them in your notebook. Underline the second class or phrase and write C or P against them. He made a clever engine that could follow commands. He made a clever engine is a phrase. That could follow commands is the second class. Students, here are some words. You have to make sentences from these words. First word is so. I am doing my homework, so I am not going to play. And my mother and father went to the market. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. We celebrated the birthday after the match. Although he is poor, but he has given clothes in charity.